So, guys, we're back for another update, right? I don't know if this is update number one. Sorry, no. This should be update number 3. I believe so. I got lost in track. So far, you guys come in here, right? So far in here, they got everything painted. The are being painted. If you guys knew what this kind of looked like before, you kind of like understand that like it's better than what the hell it looked like before. So new, like I said, new drop ceilings, and I also put some new. My contractors also put some new ceiling lights as well too. We were thinking about putting like one dome light, right? But I was in my head, I was thinking like it's not gonna be bright enough. So I was like, I need something that's gonna basically brighten up the place. Over here, we still have to paint these walls as well too. We're still getting to that. There's still a few other things they have to do, but so far as here, we're still not done because we still had to get down to the floors as well too. So if you look in here, so far, drywall is upstairs. New drop ceilings here with the lights already put in here. Drop ceilings, new lights. Right here, so far, they painted this place. They painted this already, right? So right now, there's still a little bit more work that needs to be done. For example, we still need to get that window fixed as well too. Now, they told me, guys, look, so they told me 3 to 4 weeks for this window to come in, right? So I'm like, all right. So hopefully by that time, right? Hopefully by that time things will start already looking just a little bit good, right? But so far kitchen hasn't really been started. They did mostly priming in here, sanding stuff down. They had to move out the fridge and everything and the stove, but so far the walls itself were sanded down, primed. They're gonna come here and touch up with some more paint. So far as we know that this right here is also gonna be this is gonna be gone as well too. This entire thing's gonna be coming because if you look through right here, it's coming off the wall. They said that there's no way we can try and like staple it back, but really they tried. I seen them try. I tried to help them myself, but nah, we couldn't. We're not gonna keep that. We're just gonna go buy another one. So if we look here, right? So far this is almost done, right? Almost. There's still a few more retouching that we have to do, like the floors, the doors. Still gotta come in and repaint it. Like right now, this is just primer on the walls as we speak right now. So, but let's head upstairs, right? So, as you can see, right? So basically the stairs here, we're basically gonna I'm either thinking if I want to put carpet, right? Or I'm thinking about carpet. I really want to put carpet, but if it's something I don't want to change up too soon, then I'll just leave it how it is and retouch it myself. But as you can see, the new drywall's up, primed it. Now we're gonna come back. They're gonna come back and repaint the entire place again. So as you look through the hallway, everything looks pretty clean. Now, even in here as well too, this got redone, primed and everything. So with this is gonna be like the storage room, like wherever people want to keep their stuff at. It's like a little storage room. If later down the road, if they want me to put like a if they later want me to put like a door to make a little bit of privacy and everything, then that's what I'll do for them. But other than that, it's just gonna stay open. But so far in the bathroom, I still need to like, so far in the bathroom hasn't really been started. Bathroom really hasn't been started yet. I know here in the bathroom, we still need to make sure that I get a few things kind of done. But other than that, I mean, bathroom get done probably in like a week or two. But really, the main upstairs is their prime focus. So if we come in here, now I haven't really been keeping up with my contractors because I had traveled out to one of the data centers in Ashburn, Virginia, from other job that I have full time. So, but hey, if you guys want to know a little bit more about that, I can touch base on IT and other things on a whole another video. So when we get into here, so if you guys knew what this place looked like in the beginning, when it was under construction, I mean they're still under construction, but basically the drywall was put up, primers on the wall and everything. This room I don't believe is gonna have a baseboard heater because there's heat already coming through the that vent over there. But the ceiling fan, I'm thinking about leaving it, but I'm not too sure yet. It depends like where the money falls into the budget. But other than that, this is also like the small closet area. I don't know if I could really consider this a closet because even if you want to like hang something in there, I don't think you can. But if that becomes a situation, then I'll probably just end up buying them a closet, right? Or just building one out myself. So when we come into here, here's where we're gonna put the baseboard heater. The baseboard heater is gonna be on this side. I have an outlet that's gonna be located. I got one that's gonna be here. I have another outlet that's gonna be located over here. Another outlet that's gonna be located over here. So far, this closet already, if you guys knew what this closet looked like in the beginning, you would know like, okay, this part right here is already getting kind of done. So they just had to fix up all these holes and everything here and then pretty much straight. So if let's say we take a look, right? So, and mind you guys, doing this game is like I don't know. When I first started, right, I didn't really know too much of how to get really much into it. And no matter how much you study, like I said, you should get a mentor, no matter what it is. Me personally, I didn't get a mentor. I jumped right straight into it, right? So anything that falls bad on me, I experience it. And from those bad experiences, I share it straight out to you guys. So, but that's who I am. So if you come up here, basically all this right here got drywalled. I got all new drywall, new painting. They're gonna come in, they're gonna put some new rails for me because they took off these ones here for me. So when you come up here, so upstairs kind of still looks the same, right? So upstairs, like I said, doesn't get no heat, so we have to put a baseboard heater on this side of the wall. I will have to build out a new closet for here. I will get my contractors to do it, but I was just gonna do it myself. But here, everything has already been kind of primed. The lights are not working right now, so it's switched off. But if we come into here, same thing for here. This is kind of like the king room, master bedroom, you name it. This is where all the fun happens. So the closet over here is kind of already halfway done. They still gotta do a few more touch up, the floors as well too. So once they complete that, right, then, hey, we're gonna start doing the flooring and everything. Cause as you can see, the floors are still need to be done. So once we get the floors done, right, but that's later. So, but once we get the floors done, we'll be all good. But it's not really something I'm too worried about right now. So from here, yeah, I gotta change that light out too. Hope that shit don't explode on me. Cool. So I found out that some of these windows don't lock. So that's really kind of my only major concern right now. Some of these windows don't lock. I can open them, but I'll just give it to my contractors to work on. They'll be able to take care of that for me. So, but yeah, it been about like a week and a half since I was able to actually come and actually see this house one more time. For the last time we seen it, majority of the drywall wasn't really up. They were still priming a little bit, still painting. So I'm kind of glad that things are kind of making its way and kind of getting a little bit cleaner. Now, mind you, the upgrades that I'm going to be making, right? They're not going to be, they're not like, oh, these, what do you call it? Like your HGTV type of upgrades. No, these are your basic, minimum, clean upgrades. Nice walls, new flooring, new bathroom, maybe like a new toilet, new sink, reglaze the bathtub, or if the bathtub is too bad, right, I'll probably put like a new bathtub. But so far, everything's gonna be a little bit minimal. We're not doing like a HGTV type of upgrade, and we're gonna be knocking walls down and no. We're not doing that. Not for this one. No, especially not. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, really, that's pretty much the upgrade. Up here, if you knew how this looked like, you would know that all right here was all open. So they put drywall, sorry, not drywall, they put drop ceilings all the way up here. So but here on these walls, they'll later on paint them. But as you can see, basically everything is coming together, right? So, and that's what we like. We kind of want to see progress. And I love to see progress, especially when like my contractors are working on their own. I can go away for like a week and a half. I can go away for 2 weeks if I need to. I can come back and I can see progress. I can see results. So now in my last video, I did mention about the slope and how the kitchen was messed up and how I'm gonna do my own DIY, but this was kind of the slope I was talking about. As we look into the kitchen, you kind of see that it's kind of slanted down there. And this right here is open. So we're gonna put some subflooring under there and we're gonna try and lift it up a little bit. But yeah, guys, I mean, other than that, I mean, so far the basement, let me see. Let me check it out. So far the basement, the clean up down. Okay, cool. So far the basement is cleaned up a little bit, right? If you knew what it looked like before, you know there was like graffiti just all through right here, a bunch of graffiti. But they cleaned up a little bit, which I like. So this is good. Over here, as far as I know, I have not had no more issues with my heater. So I'm glad. So really nothing too much going on with the basement. I will say that, you know, they got rid of all that graffiti stuff, and which I'm glad they got rid of that graffiti stuff. So the basement is just getting a little clean, just a clean up. But like I say, we're not doing a full remodel, right? Because this is going to be a rental property. So, and with that, basically with the rental property, you know, we want to just do the most minimum, right? We don't want to basically change everything and start knocking down walls unless we have to, right? If there's ever a time where we have to knock down walls or we have to do those type of, you know, those type of inspections or those type of demolitions or rehabilitations, right? But other than that, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the update. But back on the first topic I was talking about, I was in Ashburn for like about a week and a half. So I was busy. So I didn't really have time to come here, check on my contract, say what's up to them. I'm really close with my contractors, so I didn't really have time to come here, check on them. You know, we had a few conversations over the phone, maybe like one for like 2 minutes. He just asked me what type of paint that I want. I just said ultra pure white. But I was in Ashburn, I was at the data centers, and I was basically doing my IT work. Coming very soon, I will start having IT mentorship programs for different individuals who do want to get into IT. So the individuals that want to get into IT, please leave a comment in the comment section and just let me know if you are trying to get in IT, what type of struggles are you struggling, if you need other people to help you or push you, if there's things that you're missing from your resume, if there's things that you're missing from, you know, basically, if you feel like you need that push to get into IT, just let me know. I can kind of evaluate and see like where you're at in the process, everything. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much the update. Everything's looking a little bit more surrounded and cleaned up. So like I said, we're doing the basic basically bare minimum, right? And it's gonna turn out great, right? We're not doing like slumlord type of thing, but we're doing like bare minimum. New flooring, clean walls, new bathroom, in the new bathroom, toilet, new sink, either reglaze the bathroom, new kitchen, make it look nice, right? We're doing the minimum. Living, you know, something more livable. We're not doing like I said, a full HGTV type of thing. No, that's not in the budget. That's not gonna be in the budget unless we start looking to more luxurious rentals and things in that matter, but that's soon. So Other than that, guys, please like, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.